Hey guys, it's Jason with Explore More Adventures. Today we are heading down to Washington Dulles Airport to hop on an airplane. We're heading to Canada, going to Banff National Park and a bunch of other places. Guys, you want to say hi to our friends?
Hello.
Alright, car's packed. We've got one suitcase for all of us, and then we each have a carry-on that we also are doubling as our hiking backpacks. Ian has primarily planned this trip. Where are we going here?
Waterton National Park, Glacier National Park, Kootenai National Park, Yoho National Park, Banff National Park, and we're technically going to drive across the border of Jasper National Park.
Wow. We've got a lot planned for the next 11 days or so. It's going to be pretty epic. So come along with us on this adventure. Follow our videos. Hopefully we'll be posting a bunch of videos, maybe some single videos of like single activities that you can do if you choose to go up to Banff. And then we'll post a video every day, hopefully, about the whole day. Yeah, thanks for watching. Hey guys, so we made it to Dulles and we're parking at a hotel. We found that you can use an app called Spot Hero, or there's a few others out there, parking apps, where you can get parker cheaper than actually parking at the long-term parking at the airport. So we're here. We're gonna jump on the hotel shuttle and head to Dulles.
Hey guys, today it's a very cold, windy kind of, and rainy if you look out this window here. If you look out this window right here, it's pouring outside. So, and it's my first time without my car seat here on a plane, and Rivers and Payson are right behind us.
This is Payson with Explore More Adventures. Come along with us while we go to Banff National Park, Canada. Thank you. Sad, but we made it on the plane and we are.
But that's alright. We made it to Calgary, Canada. Yay!
We got our rental car and made it back to the hotel, and it is 2:26, and it's a good